Everybody, Jean Ketchum, aging but dangerous. It is Friday afternoon at 5 o'clock. This is the first martini I've had for like 3 weeks, so oh, it really tastes good, and I am happy today. I haven't talked to any of you for about a week because I've just been kind of, I don't know, I just have those different moods. I'm sure we all do, where we're kind of happy and then kind of down and just kind of, a little afraid, I don't know, all those things. But in Minnesota today, the sun is shining, life is good, and I'm very, very excited about everything. I have to tell you something really, really funny. Now, my husband and I, we live in this high-rise, 26th floor, and we haul up all the dirt. We have a pretty big balcony, so we haul up all the dirt, go pick out the flowers, and plant about 6 big pots of flowers on our balcony, and it's just really pretty, and we really enjoy it. So this year, we decided that we were not going to do all that work, number one, and it's been cold here for so long, and we were just going to go we were going to get some artificial flowers to put in our pots. So I went on Amazon and I saw these great geraniums. I mean, look at them. I mean, they're gorgeous. And they've even got, like little buds coming out. So I ordered these. I got like 3 bunches of these, and they come in, and they're not, I thought they would be like plastic, where they could, like take the rain and I started to say snow, but no more snow. The rain, and we didn't have to worry about it, but they are silk. So of course we have to bring them in. But it's hysterical because my good friend, Suzanne, my best friend in the whole world, she's a gardener, she's one of the best interior designers I know, and I told her about it. She got hysterical. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you guys would go to artificial plants, plastic plants. I said, no, they're not plastic, they're silk. It's a silk flower and it's gorgeous. And she was just like beside herself. And I'm telling you, they look good. I mean, in fact, one of these days I'm going to take you all out on our balcony and I'm going to show you the flowers, because I've got some purple ones too. I don't know what they're called, but they're really beautiful. I mean, I don't know. Maybe we might do this again. But anyway, she just thought this was horrible taste. But anyway, bless her little heart, and she'll get over it. So anyway, so that was one of the funniest things I laughed about. And then also I went after my bangs, you guys. I cut my bangs, and I don't know, they don't look so bad now, but this morning they were like up to here, and I can't keep, bringing them down. But I haven't cut this yet, and I'm about ready to try to, because I don't know about you guys, but our shops are not supposed to open for another couple of weeks here in Minnesota. So, and I'm still going to wait a while before I go to my hairdresser, and it's, it's fine. I mean, it's not bothering me that much or anything. So I love Fridays. I love my little martinis. As I said before, do not drink that many of them, because I know it could be a bad habit, but it's, and I've gained 7 pounds, you all, and I'm really upset about that, but not as upset as I usually would be. I'm thinking I'm taking it kind of in my stride. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm counting my calories. I'm trying not to drink that much, but it's really hard, and I know I'm not getting enough exercise, but I'm wondering if you all are experiencing that, or, what's going on in your lives. Last week I did a video, and I heard from all kinds of people, and I loved it. You were like really communicating with me. So I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're happy, and this too shall pass. We all know that. So let's hang in there together. We're all in this together. So anyway, I love you guys, and a toast to you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.